The mosque where no bird has landed for 442 years. The Mosque Mosque. The Mosque Mosque, the Pearl of the Bosphorus, is the most beautiful structure of Mimar Sinan. This distinguished work has been greeting those coming from the seaside for centuries, and also gains an important place in history with its magnificent story. The small complex that Mimar Sinan revealed in the last days of his life takes a place in history along with many other mosques. The Mosque Mosque is a small complex located in the district named after him on the Eskadar coast, consisting of a madrasa and a tomb. The work, designed in 1580 by Mimar Sinan, is also known as the mosque where no birds land because birds never land on it. The complex, which is an extremely magnificent structure, was commissioned by MC Ahmet Pa, who served as a vizier to Sultan II, Selim and III, Murad, to Mimar Sinan in 1580. The name of the structure, which was built during the peak of Mimar Sinan's career, is listed as the MC Ahmet Pa. According to legend, there is a special story about the MC Ahmet Pa Mosque. The story is as follows. MC Ahmet Pa noticed that birds were dirtying the mosque built by Sakalu Mem Pasha and brought this to Sakalu Pasha's attention. Being an intelligent person, Sakalu Pasha replied to MC Pasha, "Every creation on earth takes its share from the sky." Pasha also wanted to build a mosque and asked Mimar Sinan to build it in a place where birds would not dirty it, saying, "Build me a mosque in such a place that birds won't spoil it." Upon hearing this request, Mimar Sinan researched and located the mosque in this beautiful area of Eskadar, where the winds from the Black Sea and the Marmara Sea intersect. The opposite effect of the wind prevented birds from landing on the mosque, and the humming sound created by the wind entering and leaving the minaret frightened the birds and prevented them from landing there. The distinguished mosque located on the Haram Road contains many firsts in terms of its architecture, especially the water discharge outlet, which we can only see in the Kakamas Mosque, and was designed by Mimar Sinan, continues to be exhibited as an important hydraulics invention put forth under the conditions and possibilities of that day. Thanks to the system that Mimar Sinan installed in the Kakamas Mosque, he was able to transfer the water coming from the sea back to the sea again through the plumbing system he defined as the water discharge outlet. Can continue telling the historical buildings of Istanbul with their legendary stories. As an AI language model, I don't have a personal interest in any specific historical building in Istanbul. However, I can provide information about any historical building that you would like to know more about. Please feel free to ask me any questions. Subscribing to your channel and liking or commenting on your videos can definitely help support your content and encourage you to continue creating content about historical buildings in Istanbul. It's important to engage with your audience and create a community around your channel. Best of luck with your channel.